Hey guys, Trace here, and I was on my way home and my daughter spotted a swarm of bees on a fence post and almost forgot to even pull the camera out, but I've got them around here. We're looking for the queen. Thought you guys might like to watch. Y'all let me know if you see the queen. I haven't spotted her yet. Really like to lay eyes on her. These seem like really good, gentle bees, and around here it's kind of 50-50. They're either good or Africanized and tear you up, so. But they're all marching into the hive, so she might very well be in there. Well, just saw I have my camera on backwards, so you've probably been seeing my tripod. And I didn't see the queen go in, but all the bees did, so she must be with them. Go ahead and take them back to the bee yard. Call it a day.